How to fix VN app new project open problem. VN app not working problem. VN app new project open problem. So guys, follow me my step and solve now your VN app not working problem. VN app new project open problem. So guys, first step, open now your phone setting and scroll now, tap apps option and tap manage apps option, tap search bar and search now VN, tap VN app and click storage option and click clear data option and tap clear all data option and ok option. Click now, go to back, open now Play Store application and tap search option. Search now VN app, search now VN app and tap VN app. Update now new latest version VN app and go to back. Restart now your phone and open now VN app and tap new project option. Click now, save option. Click now, tap allow option. Select now your video, tap next option and your problem 100% solved.